It's Kat and Deb from Two Market
Hi.
Girls. We're having ice cream.
Yeah, we're just doing a taste test for a couple things that we haven't had. I don't think this is new.
It's just new to us.
Yeah, it's new to us. And I also don't know how recent this is. I don't get ice cream that often. But we have So Delicious Oat S'mores.
We have Ben & Jerry's The Tonight Dough, non-dairy edition.
And then we have these President's Choice little delights, ice cream delights. These are fairly new.
Yes.
Not new,
Like
but
this year.
yeah. But I've seen a couple people try them and like them. So we got the vanilla and peanut butter ones to try.
And they're like a coconut milk based.
They always are, I think. PC loves their coconut.
They do. This one
This is oat.
is a lot of stuff. Maybe?
This one has a lot of flavor. Read all the ingredients.
No,
flavors
it's too
of
many.
this. Like,
all the stuff
it's
in
so overwhelming.
Caramel and chocolate with chocolate cookie swirls and gobs of chocolate chip cookie dough and peanut butter cookie dough.
That is so much. Like, and how do you get that all in one bite? You don't, right?
There's no way. Jimmy Fallon. There's no.
Oh, it looks pretty good though.
It does actually. Yeah.
You ready to
It's
try?
pretty fun. Yeah.
Again, I don't think I could get everything in that spoonful, but
I don't know what I'm tasting.
I definitely get the chocolate chunks thing. I think I get light peanut butter,
I got
but
some peanut butter at the end.
not as intense as I thought it would be.
No. I just want to find the chunks, right?
Yeah, that's the best part of any ice cream.
If you're gonna get an ice cream with chunks in it, there's gotta be a lot of chunks.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Ben & Jerry's is pretty good at adding chunks.
Yeah.
No, this is actually better than I thought it was gonna be.
That's tasty.
I don't know if I'm tasting any caramel, which I don't hate, because I don't...
Maybe it's like an undertone. And
Maybe.
maybe because we don't eat a lot of caramel stuff, we don't even know that that's what
Yeah.
we're tasting because it just blends with the chocolate.
Is it caramel ice cream and chocolate ice cream? Because it says caramel and chocolate.
Right? That's what it sounds like.
With chocolate cookie swirls and chocolate chip cookie dough. What's chocolate cookie swirls?
I think the cookies have been baked.
And then swirled? What's that
What's a
mean?
swirl? I don't.
But it's not bad. I would eat this.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
I don't think I could have a whole bowl of this, but I like it.
I think I would buy it again if I
Yeah.
was looking for, you know. Sometimes I can't decide between a fruity ice cream and a.
Like an indulgent ice
Yeah.
cream? Yeah. No, that's nice. I like it. I'm surprised.
Okay, s'mores. You know we had to.
Oh. I just want to see. It has natural flavor of chocolate, graham cookie, and marshmallow. Because I was worried there was going to be just chunks of marshmallow in here, which I was like,
it's
it
just
can't be
flavored?
good. I think it might just be flavored. Because, like, I don't know. Frozen marshmallows don't seem good to me.
No? I feel like it could work.
Oh, it smells like graham crackers.
Yeah.
It's very light.
I feel like I'm eating it slowly
Yeah.
because I'm trying
The
taste
flavor,
it.
yeah.
Is there a proper method for tasting ice cream?
Just swirl it.
Mm-hmm.
There's like light here, so is this marshmallow?
Maybe. Does it just taste like vanilla?
Yeah. I like it, but I wouldn't necessarily call it s'mores.
It's just kind of giving me cookie vibes.
Mm-hmm. But like with a slight toasted element to it. And that's it though. That's the only s'mores vibes I'm getting. I don't mind it. I just wouldn't call it s'mores.
Yeah, I feel like it's too subtle. But it's good.
Yeah, no, I'm learning that I really like graham cracker base in a lot of different things.
Graham crackers are good.
And it's just like this nice, like, I don't know even how to explain it, but like with wholemeal type flavor. No, it's pretty good. Not s'mores, but
Not s'mores, not too rich.
I think you're just really missing the marshmallow flavor in this.
Yeah.
Because I get chocolate when I get the chunks.
Easy.
The graham cracker's subtle, but it's there.
Yeah.
But the marshmallow's just not there.
Yeah. I want the marshmallow to like really hit.
Hit me in the face.
Kinda, yeah.
Throw some marshmallows in my face, please. Do we need a plate?
No.
Okay.
Why?
I
No.
don't know. Cut them in half. How big are they? Oh, there's 6 of them in here. Bigger than I thought they'd be, to be honest.
We like split one.
Yeah, maybe. I thought they'd just be thrown in the box. To be honest. Like in a plastic bag.
Well, I'll throw it around.
So we just bite
Should
into
I get
it,
a
or
knife?
should we cut it?
This is serious.
I mixed them up. We're gonna have to have anyways.
Oh, that's satisfying.
Oh, I did mix them up. I thought I did.
You played yourself?
Oh
Wait.
yeah, that is peanut butter.
It's subtle.
Way more subtle than I thought it would be. Look at that box.
That is, yeah.
Sorry, but no.
Pretty pale.
Okay, I'm gonna go vanilla first, just because peanut butter is stronger. I think this is vanilla.
Wait. What?
What flavor is this? I know it's vanilla, but like, it's a weird vanilla, right?
Mm-hmm.
Could be the coconut interacting with that, but
There's something.
oh,
Yeah, and it hits you right away.
yeah. And at the end, the aftertaste is also a little off.
Cause like, I love a chocolate covered vanilla.
Especially a thin chocolate.
Yes, like that. Oh, and this
I do
is not.
wish they were like half the size.
Yeah.
The ratio's not quite right for me. Like, do you remember those little ice cream pieces that were like this big coated in chocolate?
Whoa!
That's what I want.
Aren't they called like dibs? Or something?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where did those go?
That's the size that I want. Oh, cold. I don't like it.
It's like artificial.
Mm-hmm.
I know a lot of
It's
this
very
is,
artificial, yeah.
but this.
But like these two tasted good artificial.
Yeah.
Right?
There's a fine line. No, there's a hard line.
I don't like that.
No.
I wouldn't eat another one.
That's so.
Yeah, this is disappointing.
Mm-hmm.
I have personally heard the peanut butter ones are better. So let's see.
Oh, cold.
Yeah, they are really cold. That's why I need them smaller.
The size is
Like
so
a
big.
quarter of the size.
Yeah.
Little dib sizes.
Stop. I'm getting goosebumps.
Oh, it's way more peanut butter than I thought it would be. Based on the color.
Yeah.
These are way better than the vanilla.
Okay.
Because they don't have that, they don't lead with that artificial flavor. They're still
Oh,
not
there
my
it is.
favorite, but they're better than the vanilla for sure.
I don't think I would buy either of these
No.
again. I'm really disappointed. I feel like I shouldn't be surprised because why is President's Choice like this?
I like these a lot better than the vanilla.
But they're still.
If somebody had these to serve to me, I'd be like, yeah, I'll eat one. I still wouldn't buy them. I don't remember how much they were, but they're not worth it. I'd rather just get peanut butter ice cream.
Okay, well, once again,
Maybe I would like them better if they were smaller.
maybe that's part of it.
Can you make them a little smaller? About a quarter the size? I want them in a tub where I can just pick them out and snack on them.
It's just awkward.
Yeah, I don't really know how you're supposed to eat these.
I'm not enjoying it.
And yeah, your fingers get all dirty.
Yeah.
Like, I think I wouldn't buy these even in the other form, but I feel like this would just make them bars. So there's a popsicle stick.
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't like it.
so would not buy Delights again.
They're not a delight.
I mean, okay, I still think the peanut butter ones taste good. They're just not worth it. The experience of eating them is not fun.
But would buy either of these again.
Yeah, honestly, they were both really good. I like this one too. I think I would lean more towards this one only because it's less intense. And I'm a less intense ice cream person. Like, I'm not a big ice cream person to begin with. So if I'm having ice cream, I don't want it to be overwhelming.
Yeah.
Like, I would rather it be a little lighter. And this still has chocolate in it, which I really like. This almost feels like a step up from vanilla.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah. And I would probably buy this a lot more frequently than this. But this is arguably the better ice cream. It's weird.
It's cause like I feel like you'd have to be in the right mood for this.
Like, when you're in the mood for that, that's gonna hit like really well. But this is like a more everyday ice cream.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
I would put in a cone.
Yeah.
I love ice cream in a cone.
I prefer ice cream in a bowl.
Sugar cones, waffle
Unless
cones.
it's like a
I love them.
drumstick. I love a drumstick.
Yeah.
That is probably my go-to daily ice cream. Not
Yeah.
daily, but like more everyday.
Daily. No, you need to have a daily ice cream.
Too expensive for daily ice cream.
It's true.
But like I love the drumsticks. They did it well.
They did.
Except the caramel one. I don't like the caramel one.
It's still good though.
Yeah.
Okay, in the comments, tell us if you've tried any really good ice cream lately.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Have you tried the new Haagen-Dazs?
Yeah.
I think it's reformulated, right? 'Cause,
Something's
like,
different.
It's newly released.
Yeah.
So.
We saw it, but didn't buy it.
Like, none of the
we saw it.
flavors still.
Yeah.
But I am like, I would almost always go for a good vanilla ice cream over anything else with some sprinkles on it.
Oh,
Done.
okay, come on. Vanilla and sprinkles?
But like also like when I think of like, I'm not a big ice cream person, so I don't get ice cream on cones a lot. Even soft serve, I'm not a big soft serve person. I would prefer a milkshake.
Interesting.
And like a
Want
vanilla
melted ice
milkshake
cream.
with milk, yeah. A vanilla milkshake is so good. I don't know, I just love vanilla. Not that vanilla though.
No, that was not. I don't know what that was.
It's like a good vanilla ice cream, and I think that's still missing in the market. You know, we don't have that. And if any ice cream brands are listening right now, I want a Neapolitan.
They definitely are listening.
I want a Neapolitan. That's what I want.
Vanilla, strawberry, chocolate.
That way, you know, you can have all of it if you are feeling fun, or you can pick your flavor, the flavor of the one you want.
Those are our ice cream thoughts. Let us know yours.
Yeah, let us know your ice cream thoughts. Tell us if we like just went to the wrong stores. Like, are there a bunch of new ice creams that we just don't know about?
We went to Walmart and no frills.
Yes, probably the wrong stores.
Sometimes that's all the options you have.
Yeah,
So
I agree.
let us know what we're missing.
Bye!
Bye!